Hi, my name is Betty Burnett and welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today we will be making some quick mac and cheese. And this mac and cheese is for 2 people, or it could be for 1. If you are living in a dorm or in college or don't have a cooktop, you can make this in your microwave. So this is very quick, but it's very good. I used to make this in my restaurant. Everybody that ordered this, they really liked it. So let me start with the ingredients. There's nutmeg, there is mustard, garlic, onion powder, bay bell, butter, cheese, milk, and processed cheese on the end of the table here. That's the processed cheese. So let's get started. This is going to be quick. And the mac and cheese there, have 2 containers of mac and cheese there that we're going to use. So it should be really good. We're going to follow the direction on the little containers there. We're going to add some water now to the containers and then cook it on 3 minutes. Added the water according to the directions. So now we're going to place it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And those are the packages that came out of the container for the mac and cheese. Added the butter, and I'm going to go ahead and add one of the containers that just came out of the microwave over the butter, so that will help the butter melt. I usually just start it like this, and then I add the cheese that come with the mac and cheese in there and just continue to mix it up. Mix it up well. Go ahead and add the other package of cheese. I'm going to add some of the milk to the mac and cheese. The other mac and cheese is ready. I just added the other container of mac and cheese to the container here. I'm going to add the ingredients: garlic powder, onion powder, and the cheese, the processed cheese to it, the mustard. Trying to get everything in there while the mac and cheese is hot. Just put a little of the mac and cheese in there to get the rest of the mustard out. That mustard really helped give it a nice tangy taste to it. I'm going to add some more milk, and I'm going to add the nutmeg in here. That's a spice I use in my mac and cheese. And so I'm going to add some more cheese to it, and then I'm going to microwave it for about 1 minute. And everything will come together at that point. It looks really good already. I'm just trying to break up some of the processed cheese before I add the other cheese. I'm going to add half of the cheddar. This mac and cheese look delicious. I haven't even placed it in the microwave yet, but what I'm going to do is add a little paprika to it. All right. I added the paprika on the top of it, so now I'm going to stick it in the microwave for 1 minute. Look how good it looks. I mean, it's cheesy. Everything is melted. Look how good it looks. I mean, that is a cheesy mac and cheese for anyone that just wants a mac and cheese and Don't have a lot of time to spend on baking it and that kind of thing. Okay? I'm going to take a bite of it. Ooh, it's hot. Yummy. So yummy. Make this mac and cheese. See how good it looks? And it's easy to make. If you don't have a lot of time on your hand, make this mac and cheese. Make it in your dorm room. All you need is a microwave. All right? Enjoy. If you like this video, like and share with your friends and family. Enjoy.